Okay, so it's time for the lab. So remember that we have to, the goal of this lab is to um, train an object detection model that can detect and locate three classes of fruit: apple, banana, orange in an image. So I'm going to create, so I can go in my portal here. What I can do is that I can have a custom vision resources. So remember that if I go here on my home, if I go to Azure AI Services, you can see that I have all Azure AI Services. Okay, so in my case, it's the if I want, I can go directly here and do choose a custom vision. Okay, if you choose custom vision here, you can only, if you go here in all Azure services, I have one here. I have here my custom vision. But what you can do also is that if you don't need all this, you can type here custom vision. Okay, and if you do custom vision, you'll have only custom vision. Okay, that's good. Okay. Um, so here I'm going to create now my new custom vision. So here I have my Azure AI services. Okay, and if I go here on this one, you can see that I have a name here, and this is my speech in here. So I have my custom vision, for example. So if I go in vision here, I have my custom vision here. Okay, documentation. So let's go back to our Azure services here, and I'm going to go in custom vision here, and I'm going to create a custom vision here. Okay, custom vision resource. Remember that you have prediction and training. Okay, it's very important. So here I will take the both of them. So here he asked me if I want to do prediction training. Of course, I have the two of them. And here I will change my subscription. I will take my resource group here. And after I'm going to go all down to my region. So this is it, is US and the name here. So I'm going to say like custom vision, for example. So custom vision Malta. Okay. So this is the instance. Okay. Prediction resource. It's going to be a custom vision. So it's your custom domain name in your endpoint. Okay. So we can put, this is my custom domain name. So I will use it in my here. So after, when I will go in my object detection, I will have something like that. Okay, so test detector and train. So I'll have my train here, and remember that here we'll have something like that with my app setting here, and the training endpoint, training key. Okay, remember, and the project ID. And after here, I will show you exactly how it works. It's quite simple. Okay, and I have the tag image JSON. Okay, so that's the, remember, this is where I have my, for example, the image 11. He told me where is my orange. Okay, we talked about that before, so I think you understand that. Now I need the training procedure. I will put this one. So the price, I will take this one. So it's going to be a F0, 2 transaction by second. Okay, and the prediction will be the same thing. So this one. Okay, so I have everything here, and I'm going to go here in my review and create. Okay, so I need to wait for the resource to be created and then view the deployment details, and note that 2 custom vision resources are provisioned, one for training, one for prediction. Okay, it's evident by the prediction suffix. Okay, so let's do next now here, and now do review and create, and I'm gonna wait just 5 minutes and resume the recording of this section. So now the most important is here. Remember that each resource will have its own endpoint and key. So this is very important. If you go here, you can see that you have the prediction. Okay, this is the prediction, and this is not the prediction. Okay, so it's very simple because um, the fact that you have this prediction is very easy to understand. That here we have the prediction, and here we don't have any prediction. If you go here in the prediction, you can see the key endpoint. Okay, so this is for the prediction, this one. Okay, so prediction. Okay, so let's just take it here now. Okay, so show key, and I will say that this one is a prediction. I will go here and type prediction. Okay, go here. I will type prediction, and this is the prediction, and I will type the first key. This is the key, remember. And of course, I need to have the endpoint, like my Azure, like all the lab we did since the beginning. And the country, okay, so it's East US. It's East US. Okay, so let's go back to our here. So you have your first one, and this one is the, of course, it's the train. Okay, so the one for training and one for prediction, and this one will be for training. So if I go back here and I go for training, so I will do the same thing here. So this one is for training. Okay, so go here. I'll type this one is for training. Okay, so training. It's this one. Let's go back to our show key. Let's take the key and put it here. The country is also East US, so we don't change the country. And I will go back here and I will take my endpoint. Okay, so it's really easy. Do like me. Take Notepad++ is better, or even you can create a file here if you want. Okay, like this, you have the type of what you're talking about here, what you're doing exactly. Okay, so let's go to custom vision now. So I'll go back here, and I will go here on my custom vision, and it's customvision.ai. Okay, and now I have my custom vision, and I will sign in with the account of my subscription. Okay, so I will go here, I will do agree, and I will load my account here. And that's not good at all. It's this one, Fabrice Chernowski. Okay, that's better. Okay, so now I'm going to create a new project. So here you create a new project, and the project will be about the detect fruit. Okay, and I'll say detect. I will see object detection. Object detection. Okay. The resource will be the one. Remember, so it's this one. Okay. Remember, this is the custom vision Malta. So this is the detection. Okay, so this is the custom vision. Okay, that's good. And I will do object detection this time. And in the domain, I will do general here. Okay, so general, you can have all this, but it's general for that. And I will create my project. Okay. So this is very important because this is where, in this one, you can see the information. No, sorry, here you can see all the link. So that's it. So now I need to train an object model. You need to upload image that contain the class you want the model to identify. Okay, so I'm going to go Um, so I have my training image folder, object detection. So here in my portal, I'll to add image, and I will go on my module 3. So it's here, and it's lab file. I'm going to take object detection, and I will go on my training image, and I will use one of them. Okay, so you and I can say all of this image. Okay, so of course, so I will select here all this image, and I will do here open. Okay, and I will do upload 10 files. Okay. So now I will try to do the works. So it's not tagged. Okay. So I will take the first one here. Okay. And so I need to hold the mouse over any object in the image until automatically detected region is displayed, like the image. Okay. And then select the object. And if this is resize the region to surround it. Okay. Um, so I will go here. So I will hold the mouse over any object. Okay, here, for example. And after that, I need to add a tag. Okay, so for example, this is an apple. Okay, so I will do apple. Okay, and that's it. And this is orange. So this is an orange. Okay, and this is a banana. Banana. Okay, so that's very easy. Just do that, and you can also simply drag around the object to create a region. Okay, so you can when region surround when you add a new tag. Okay, and select each tag, select select and tag each object in the image, resize the region, and adding new tag are required. Okay, so and um, and I can use now the link. And what I'm going to do is that to go to the next image, and I'm gonna just keep working through the entry image collection, tagging each apple. Okay, so if I go now in this one, I need to say that now this one is orange, so this is easy, and this one is a banana. Okay, so I will do the same thing here. So this time it's, oh, there's a lot of, this is apple. Don't make any mistake, because otherwise it's like a baby. Huh? If you say this is an apple, he will not understand anymore. So this is an orange, and this is a banana. Okay. Okay, so this one is orange again. Okay, I will do that for all the okay, so you will not have to wait. Okay, so I can close the image details here, and I can close it, and on the training image here I can see tagged or untagged. So I can select tag to see all your tag image here. I can see all the image here, and I can go back here on details if I did the wrong thing here. Okay. So I'm going to use the training API now to upload files. So you can use graphical tools in the custom vision portal to tag your image. Uh, but many AE development teams use other tools that generate files containing information about tags and object region in image. So you can use a custom vision training API to upload tagged image to the project. Okay, so in this exercise, I'm going to choose to use the API from C# or Python. So let's go now in the top right. This is very important. Okay, so in the top right here, you have this icon. So here, so this is for the training. Okay, training image. And when you click on it, you have all the information. Okay, so it's very important. On the general here, you have the project ID. So project ID is very important. Okay, so I'm going to note the project ID, and I will do, this is for the train. Okay, so remember, this is for the training image. So let's go here. So training image. So I'm going to say project. Let me go here first, better here to my project ID. That's it. And if you go now on the right, you have resources, and you can note that the key and endpoint are shown. Okay, so this is the key and endpoint. Let's see if I have the right one. This is the finishing by A9. That's exactly this. And this is the HTTPS custom vision Malta. Let's see if it's okay. Yep, exactly. Okay, so let's now go in our Visual Studio now, and I'm gonna go here in Object Detection. Object Detection, I will expand my C#. I will do C#, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to right click on Train Detector. Okay, this one, Train Detector, remember, and I will do open in here, and I will install the custom vision tracking package, training package, by running this command. So let me go here. Let me do a CLS, and I'm going to add it here. Okay, so I'm going to add I'm doing .NET add package, Azure Community Services Vision Custom Vision. Okay, so let's do a paste here, and that's it. Okay, I have it here. So you see .NET add package. Sorry, yeah, you can see it under Microsoft Learn, no problem. So now I will go in the content of my train detector here. So I go in train detector, and you can see that I have my app setting, which is on here. Okay. So in the Python, you have your env here, env. Okay, but actually I'm going to do it with my C#. I like Python, but this course is more on C#, but I will do the same one for Python after. Okay, so it will be exactly the same slide, but I will change the code here. So I'm going to go in my app setting, and on the on this configuration file, so I'm going to open the configuration and update the configuration value. It contains to reflect the endpoint and key for your custom vision training resources and the project ID. So because I did a good job, here I have my project ID. So let's go here in my project ID and do a paste. Take your time, please. Don't, we have time. And here is the key. So let's do a double click. I'm going to take my key and my training endpoint. Okay, so I'm going to go here on my training endpoint. So here's prediction. Okay, you don't have any prediction, so you see it's training here. And I will go now here on my endpoint, and I will do a Control S, and that's it. So now I'm going to go in the train detector folder. So here you have the train detector folder. Okay, so train detector, and I can open the tagged image JSON. Okay, why is it nice? Is you can examine the content. The JSON define a list of image, each containing one or more tagged region. See, tagged region. Each tagged region include a tag name. Okay, orange, banana, blah blah, tag name, and the top and left coordinate and width and height dimension of the bounding box. Remember that the coordinate and dimension in this file indicate related points of the image. For example, a height value of 07, for example, this one. Okay, for example, you have 07, indicate a box that is 70% of the height of the image. So I'm going to go in the train detector folder here. Okay, train detector, and you can see that that you have a subfolder in which the image files reference is a JSON file as stored. Okay, so you have here the um, you have a subfolder in which the image reference here. So for example, banana, so image 12 here. So you will see here that you have image 12. Okay, here, that's it. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to go here on my program CS, and you can review the code. So we have the namespace first here. So namespace from the package you installed are imported. Okay, so here's it. The main function here. So if I go here, I have a main function. My main function retrieve the configuration setting. So here I have my configuration setting, app setting. Okay, so see your app setting here, app setting, and use the key endpoint to create a authenticated custom vision training client. Okay, so this will create my custom vision training client. Okay. After we have the so here the custom vision training client, you will have the of course the project here, and we'll have the function upload image. So okay, so where is it? It's here, upload image, and in upload image here, it will extract the tag iteration information from the JSON file. Okay, so we have the JSON file here, and it will to create a batch of image of region it when it then uploaded to the project. Okay, so you can see everything here. Okay, so get properties, we have your get string, you have a tag name. Okay, remember all is here, and we have here the region, and upload the list of image as a batch. Okay, remember, so we'll upload it, and that's it. So let's do a control S. We don't change anything here. I think here we did nothing else, and okay, and go here, and I'm gonna do a .NET run. So that's run. I need to wait for the program to end, and then it will return to your browser, and you will view the training image page for your project in the custom vision pull tab. You must refresh the browser if necessary. Okay, so you must wait a little, and you can verify that some new tagged image has been added to the project. Okay. Okay, I just had to install the .NET runtime here, and now if I go here, I can see that he uploaded 23 tagged image. Okay, so let's go back here, and you can see now that if you go to your image, you will see that you will have, okay, in a training image here. Okay, so if you go here, you can see that now I have more. Okay, so I have all this tagged here image, and that's it. Okay, so that's nice. I have other one. So he had me all this, and you can verify that new tagged image has been added. Okay, so if you go and tag it, you don't have any, but if you go and tag, for example, you have even this. Okay, so this is Apple, for example. So he did the work. I mean, it's coming from my JSON file, of course. So now that you have tagged the image in your project, you're ready to train a model. Wow. So in the custom vision project, okay, I'm gonna click on train. Okay, so here I have my I have everything here. So if I go here on my so that's it. Oh, if I go here, yep, sorry. And now I'm gonna go and train here. So I'm going to click on train to train an object detection model using the tagged image. And I'm going to do a quick training because this is important, okay? Because otherwise it can be expensive. So I'm going to wait for training to complete, might take 10 minutes or so, and then review the precision, recall, and map performance metrics. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and I need to wait. Okay, and so he's doing the training. Okay, here. So let's do a small pause here.